Hello students, now in this video class we are going to discuss about 12th standard computer science chapter 9 list tuples sets and dictionaries. The previous video class we discussed about list and tuples. Now in this video class we are going to discuss about sets in Python. Okay, so sets, tuples, list, these are all known as a collection data type. Okay, so why we call it as a collection data type? Because we are processing the list of elements, more than one element. So we call it as a collection data type. Okay, in Python a set is another type of collection data type. A set is a mutable and an unordered collection of elements without duplicates. So what is meant by mutable? A set having the mutable element, that is you can able to change the element present in a set. Okay, so tuple is a immutable element, that is elements cannot be changed in tuple, but in set the elements are changed, that is mutable element. And an unordered collection of elements. So here there is no order. When you are assigning some order in the set element, but we are getting different order as a print, that is output. Okay, so without duplicates, duplicates cannot be accepted in sets. Okay, so when the same value is repeated more than one time in a set, it can be takes only one time on the process at the time of processing. That means that the elements within a set cannot be repeated. Okay, so duplicates means the elements in a set cannot be repeated. This feature used to include membership testing and eliminating the duplicate elements. Okay, so the set cannot have the duplicate element. That means the same elements cannot be repeated multiple times. Okay, now you can see how to create a set in Python programming language. A set is created by placing all the elements within curly braces. Okay, how the list can be created? The list can be created placing all the elements in the square bracket, and the elements are separated by comma. And then how the tuple can be created? All the elements are placed in the normal parenthesis and the elements are separated by comma. Okay, now the set can be created by using all the elements are enclosed with the curly braces, and then elements are separated by using the comma. Okay, so the set function is also used to create a sets in Python. Okay, we can also use a built-in function set to create a sets in Python. Okay, the syntax for creating the set variable is set variable is equal to within curly braces we can create a elements. So here e1 comma e2 comma e3 etc en, these are the elements present in the set variable. Okay, so now you can see the example for creating set. S1 is equal to within curly braces 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma a comma 3.14. That is the set can have any kind of variable, integer variable, float variable, or character or string variables. Okay, so the collection of data is known as the set. For that only we call it as a collection data type. Okay, so here S1 is the set variable name, and then the data items present in this variable is 1, 2, 3, comma a, comma 3.14. So now you are printing the S1. So why we need a print statement? It is used to display the content on the monitor. Okay, so print of S1, that means it show the output on the monitor. So now you can see the output 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3.14 comma a. So the order are changed. So the given input order is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma a comma 3.14. But what is the output? You can get 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3.14 comma a. So we are getting the different order. That's why we can say sets are the unordered list. Okay, so the elements are changed. S2 equal to, see the next example, S2 equal to within curly braces 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 8 comma 3.14. Here the number 2 can be repeated 2 times. Okay, so sets cannot be allowed duplicate elements. Okay, but in this example 2 can be repeated 2 times. So now you can see the output print of S2. In this output, the 2 is present only one time. Okay, duplicates can be omitted. So 1 comma 2 comma a comma 3.14. There is no duplicate occurs in the output. Okay, is it clear? For that only we can say set cannot allow the duplicate element. Okay, collection of elements without duplicates. Okay, so set cannot be allow the duplicate elements. So when you print the elements from a set, Python shows the values in different order. Okay, so when you are going to print the elements in a set, Python shows the values in different orders. Now you can see how to create a set using list or tuples. So if you want to convert a list or tuple elements into sets, that also can be possible in Python programming language by using the set function. Okay, so how we can convert a list or tuples into sets by using the set function. Okay, so that is very simple for doing this one. First you have to create a list or tuple, then substitute its variable with the set function as argument. Okay, now you can see the example how to create a set using list or tuples. So here my list is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So here the variable my list is the list variable. From this variable we are going to create a set. Okay. And then my set is the set variable is equal to set. Here set is the built-in function. Okay. This function is going to create a set from the list. So set within bracket my list. My list is the list variable name. Now this set function is convert this list values into set values. Okay. So print my set. Now you can see the output. Within curly braces all the elements are present. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That means the elements are in the elements within curly braces means the sets can be created. Okay. Next we see the next topic, that is set operations. This is very important 5-mark question. Set operations. Okay. So now we learn about what are the set operations used in Python programming language. So in mathematics we already studied set operations. What are the set operations are there? Union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. The same operations here also performed in Python programming language. Union means it includes all the elements from 2 or more sets. Okay. Now you can see the Venn diagram, set A and set B. So all the elements present in set A and set B are included together. That is the union operation. Okay. So in Python the symbol used for union operation is pipe symbol, and as the operation name is also either we can use a function name union or we can use the pipe symbol to do the operation. Okay, now you can see the example. Program to join two sets using union operator. Okay, so now you can take two sets, set A and set B. Okay, here set A and set B are the set variable name. Okay, set A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and then set B is equal to A, B, C, D. In each set there are 4 elements are present. Okay, U set, that is union set. Okay, now we are going to do the union process. U set is equal to set underscore A pipeline set underscore B. Here the pipeline is used to mention the union operation. And then set underscore A, set underscore B. This two are variable is used to store the set data. Okay, so now we are going to join to this one by using the pipeline symbol. Okay, so print U set. Now you can see the output 2, 4, 6, 8, A, D, C, B. That is two sets are joined together. We get the single set. Okay, either we can use the symbol, pipe symbol, or we can use the function union. Now you can see in this example, instead of using the pipe symbol, here we are using the function name union. That is set underscore U. Here set underscore U is also one of the variable name. Okay, so underscore is used for separate the variable names. Is equal to set underscore A dot union of set B. Okay, the same example is written again. Instead of using the pipe symbol, here we are using the function name union. Okay, So set underscore A dot union set underscore B. Now we are getting the output D comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma B comma C comma A. That is the order of the set can be changed each and every execution of the C plus Python programming language. Okay. So intersection, next we go for intersection. It includes the common elements in two sets. Okay. So intersection means it takes only the common elements present in two sets. The operator used for intersection operation is ampersand symbol. Okay, ampersand symbol is used for intersection. The intersection also used to intersect two sets in Python. Okay, so either we can use the symbol ampersand or we can use the function name intersection. Okay, now you can see the example program to insert two sets using intersection operators. So first set, that is set A is equal to A comma 2 comma 4 comma D. So in this example you can note that as numeric numbers are given without quotes. String values are given with quotes. Okay. Set B is equal to A comma B comma C comma D. So print set A and set B. Now we are going to intersect the elements from set A and set B. What is meant by intersection? We are taking the common elements from these two sets. Okay. Now we can see what are the common elements are there, A comma D. So we get the output A comma D. Okay. So the same process can be done with the help of intersection function also. Okay. In this example we are using the intersection function, that is set underscore A dot intersection of set underscore B. Okay, so both the examples we get the same output, that is A comma D, the common element present in the sets. Okay, next we see about the difference. It includes all the elements that are in the first set but not in the second set, say set B. Okay, so difference means it takes all the elements of the set A and then it omit the common elements. Okay, and then it omit the set B elements also. The symbol used for difference function is minus operator. Okay, either we can use minus operator or we can use the function name difference. Now you can see the program. Set A is equal to A comma 2 comma 4 comma D, and then set B is equal to A comma B comma C comma D. Now we are going to print the set A minus set B. That is, the elements is present in that list, you just omit it, otherwise you have to print the output. Okay, so in both set A and set B the elements A is present and then D is also present. So omit to this elements and then remaining elements are 2 comma 4. Okay, remaining elements present in the set A. So what are the remaining elements are there? 2 comma 4. So we get the output 2 comma 4. Either we can use the symbol minus or we can also use the function name difference. Okay, and then now we see about the symmetric difference. So it includes all the elements that are in two sets but not the one that are common to two sets. Okay, so the symmetric difference means it includes all the elements without the common elements of set A and set B. Okay, so the symbol used for symmetric difference is caret symbol, that is cap symbol. Okay, and then we can also use the function symmetric difference. Okay, so now you can see the example for symmetric difference. Set A is equal to A comma 2 comma 4 comma D, and then set B is equal to A comma B comma C comma D. Print set A caret set B. So what is the output you can get? What are the elements are common to A and B? What are the common elements are there? A and D common elements are there. Okay. So the remaining elements present in this set 2 comma 4 comma B comma C. So these elements are show the output. Okay. What is meant by symmetric difference? It shows all the elements present in set A and set B but not the common elements. Okay. So the common element are omitted, remaining elements are shown in the output. So next example, the same example, instead of using the caret symbol here, we are using the function name symmetric difference alone. Okay, is it clear, ma? Now you can clear with set operations. Okay, so sets are one of the collective data type, collection data type used in Python programming languages. Okay, so that's all about sets in Python programming language. In the next class, we discuss about the next topic. Okay, students, thank you.